Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make a collage on Instagram story. It's pretty simple. You can click on the plus looking icon on your Instagram at the top right corner by coming on your Instagram profile and click on where it says stories. And on stories, you can see the double button with the create option. Click on it. This is going to create a background for you. And you can also change the background color by clicking on it at the bottom right corner. To change the color, after you're okay with the color, click on the double A at the middle. It's going to click a photo. Then what you can do is click on the sticker icon, which is at the top right corner, right beside the 333 dots. Click on it, and from over here, scroll a bit down, and you can see right beside Tuesday, it's showing me a gallery icon with a circle on it. That is basically what collage is. I can click on it, and it's asking me to select a picture from my gallery, so I will select this picture. If I tap on this picture, I can change its size, shape like this. So I want it to be in square shape. After I make it on square shape, I'm going to place it over here. Now, I add more photos over here by clicking on the little smiling icon at the top right corner again. Choose another photo, change its size, and again, click on the smiley icon at the top right. Choose another photo from my gallery like this, and just like this, I can create myself a photo collage for my story. Now, and click on the arrow at the bottom right. Click on share, click on done, and it's going to be shared on my story. So that's how we guys can make a collage on Instagram story. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.